Hello everyone, welcome back. So here you have to create this API endpoint inside admin. So here you have to go inside API, then inside admin. Here you have to create this new folder that is a single curriculum. Then inside it, here you have to create the new folder inside the square bracket that is ID. Then here inside it, here you have to create the new file that is a root.js files. Got it? So inside it, here import the necessary modules. Here import here next response from the next server. Got it? Then after that, here you have to import your dbconnect functions. Import dbconnect function from the tools dbconnect function. Then after that, here you have to import the curriculum model to interact with the curriculum collection in the database. So here import your curriculum, okay, from the model curriculums. Got it? The next after that, here you have to define your get function for fetching single curriculum by its ID from the database. So here you have to define the function that is export metadata async functions. So here you have to write in the get. Then here inside it here. Okay, inside it here. First of all, here you have to establish a connection to the database. Await db connect function. So here you have to connect with the database. Then after that, we will use try and catch block. Basically, try and catch block handle the error if you got inside try block. So here first of all, inside the catch block, in case of an error, return the error message with 500 status code to the client side. It means it is the internal server error. Here, next response dot JSON. Then inside it, here you have to write the error dot message. Here is spelling mistake, guys. Here you have to write the message. Then here you have to write the status. Okay, guys. Here you have to status code that is a 500. Then here you have to write after that inside try block here fetch curriculum by its ID unique ID from the server side. First you need to add this. So here inside here first you need to get the request as well as context. Got it? Inside context here you have the ID. So now here you have to define this one const. Here at the const curriculum equal await curriculum. Okay, await curriculum dot find one method. Okay, then inside object inside on the basis of ID I will try to find your curriculum from the database. That is a context dot params. Okay, params dot here the ID that you got from the client side. Okay, so context dot params dot ID. Got it? And then here you have to return the curriculum data in the JSON format to the client side. So here you have to return next response dot JSON. Inside it here you have to pass the curriculum. Got it? So here also you can use in the console.log for the just debugging purpose. Console.log. Then inside it fetching, not the fetching, just here you have to add the year. Then start. Here you have to add the year. Then the same thing for if you got the successfully curriculum. Here you need to just here copy this curriculum, copy this one. Then here you have to remove this. Then here you have the let me remove this. Alright. Then check it here, guys. Here you have to just refresh it and then check it here on the here terminal. Here if everything is fine, then you will got your data. You see, okay, it is session. You see here, okay, you see here it is a curriculum. Okay, so here you have successfully find your data from the database, and here you see this is section it is at this time it is empty string. Don't worry, later on we will create data and put inside it here. And you see here this is a title. Okay, this is a title. It means it is type script. So that's why here we have created the state variable. This one, guys. This is a set content title. Then here data dot title. It means data dot title means, guys, here this one, guys. This value, this title. Okay, okay, guys. So inside it here you have the title. Got it? And here inside it here inside here data dot section means this value, guys. Here this sections here you have the this section inside it here you have to put inside set curriculum dot section. Got it? So in the next lecture we will here display your okay, we will display the content titles. Got it? So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.